Welcome, kids. Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about changes in energy during objects' collision.
Let's begin. Motion is the movement of an object from one place to another. Which image shows motion? And the correct answer is letter B, speeding car. A fast toy car bumps the back of a slower toy car. What does the image best support? And the correct answer is letter A. The slower car may roll faster. A collision happens when two objects hit each other. Which image best shows a collision? And the correct answer is letter C, marbles bumping.
A rolling marble hits a marble that is not moving. What does the image best support? The correct answer is letter A. It may start rolling. What does the table show? The correct answer is letter B. Hard bumps make louder sounds. A hard collision makes a louder sound than a soft collision. Why does this happen? The correct answer is letter A. Hard bumps transfer more energy.
What does the table show? And the correct answer is letter A. Balls bounce at different speeds. A ball rolls into a wall and bounces back with shorter motion lines. What happened to the ball? And the correct answer is letter C. It moved slower after impact. What does the graph show? And the correct answer is letter A. Hard crashes make louder sounds.
Do toy cars crash into each other? Why may the cars move differently after the crash? And the correct answer is letter C. The cars transfer different amounts of energy. What can students learn from the line graph? And the correct answer is letter A. Faster cars travel farther. A fast soccer ball bumps a playground cone, and the cone slides far. What does the image best support? And the correct answer is letter B. It may move farther.
Which image best supports a true statement about motion? And the correct answer is letter B. Moving truck. A rolling ball may stop after hitting another object. Why can this happen? And the correct answer is letter A. Energy transfers during the bump. Which image best supports a true statement about collisions? And the correct answer is letter B. Ball hitting wall.
One ball rolls into another ball, and the second ball moves away. What does the image best support? And the correct answer is letter C. It may start moving. Which image shows a bigger change after a collision? And the the correct answer is letter A, far-moving car. 2 marbles roll toward each other and collide. What happens after the collision? And the correct answer is letter B. Both marbles bounce away.
Which image best shows motion changing direction? And the correct answer is letter C, turning cars. A loud collision makes a strong sound. What can the sound tell us about the collision? And the correct answer is letter A, the bump transferred more energy. Which image may move an object farther? And the correct answer is letter C, strong bump.
A toy car hits a stack of blocks. What happens to the blocks? And the correct answer is letter A, the blocks move apart. Which image best shows air after objects collide? And the correct answer is letter B, warmer air. 2 objects collide during motion. Okay, how does energy move during the collision? And the correct answer is letter C. Energy transfers between objects.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play.